Here's something most couples don't know. There's actually a secret ratio that can predict whether your marriage will last or fall apart. It's called the 5-to-1 rule. And it's surprisingly simple. For every one negative comment, criticism, or harsh word you say to your partner, you need at least 5 positive ones to balance it out. Now, this doesn't mean you'll never fight. In fact, research shows that happy couples argue too, but here's the difference. They make sure positivity always outweighs negativity. Think about it. One argument won't destroy your relationship. But constant criticism, nagging, or sarcasm? That builds up, and slowly eats away at the love you've built. But when your partner feels appreciated, complimented, and supported 5 times more than they feel criticized, it changes everything. A simple thank you, a smile, a kind word, a gentle touch, these small moments of affection stack up and create a cushion strong enough to survive the hard days. So if you really want your marriage to thrive, stop counting the fights, and start counting the positives. Make it a goal to flood your relationship with more encouragement, more laughter, and more appreciation. Because at the end of the day, love isn't about perfection, it's about the balance you create. Would you be willing to try the 5-to-1 rule in your relationship? Follow for more powerful relationship hacks.